Demystifying Cashed In, dive into its meaning. Hello learners! Today, we're delving into a phrase that you might have come across or will certainly encounter in various contexts. Cashed in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it effectively. So, let's get started. At its most basic level, to cash in means to exchange something for money. For example, you might cash in a check at a bank, or cash in your coins for paper currency. Example: Jane had a jar full of coins, and she cashed in the coins at her local bank for $50. Like many phrases in English, cashed in also has a more figurative meaning. This is where it gets interesting. In a broader sense, it can mean to take advantage of a situation, often in a way that might be considered opportunistic or even negative. Example: after the singer's sudden fame, many companies wanted to cash in on her popularity by offering her endorsement deals. Another context where cashed in is used figuratively is when referring to someone's death. Saying someone cashed in their chips is a colloquial way of saying they passed away. It's borrowed from the gambling world, where players exchange, or cash in, their chips for money. Example: I heard old Mr. Thompson finally cashed in his chips last week. Note: this use can be perceived as informal and sometimes disrespectful, so always be cautious and considerate of the context. To make sure you've grasped the concept, let's see it in action with a few more examples. 1. The author cashed in on the trend by writing a book on the topic everyone was talking about. 2. Many investors cashed in their stocks when the market was at its peak. 3. She cashed in her lottery ticket and was thrilled to find out she had won $100. And there we have it. Now you know the different meanings and uses of the phrase, cashed in. Whether you're discussing finance, commenting on someone taking advantage of a situation, or coming across it in colloquial terms, you'll be well prepared to understand and use it appropriately. We hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the nuances of the English language.